Welcome to the another session of Theories of Machine. In this session, we are going to see the applications of the single slider crank mechanism. So let's start. So in previous lecture, we had discussed about the single slider crank mechanism and how basically it works. So now here we will see about some of the inversions of single slider crank mechanism. So we will start with the pendulum pump. So what is pendulum pump? It is basically a kind of single slider mechanism in which cylinder is a fixed link. Okay, so it is obtained by fixing the cylinder. So here we can see that the link 1 is the piston rod, which is connected to the cylinder in such a way that it is forming a sliding pair. Okay, it is forming a sliding pair over there, as we had already discussed that this have one sliding pair and will be having 3 turning pair. So the remaining 3 pairs means the connection between piston rod and crank and connecting rod, and connecting rod and the piston rod will be the turning pairs here. So okay. So in this case, when the crank rotates, the connecting rod oscillates about the pin pivoted to the fixed link. Okay, so we can see at the point A, and the piston attached to the piston rod reciprocates. Okay, so basically it transfers the rotary motion into the reciprocating motion. This is also called a duplex pump, which is used for supplying feed waters into the boilers. So let's move to the next inversion. So the next inversion is the oscillating cylinder. The arrangement of oscillating cylinder engine is shown here. As you can see, this cylinder is oscillating and we have the fixed link as a connecting rod. Okay, so in this case, connecting rod will be the fixed link. What happens in this mechanism is basically the link 3, which we are seeing here, the link 3 as a connecting rod, that is made fixed, and the link 3 corresponds to the connecting rod of the reciprocating steam engine. Basically this is used in the ships where we use the reciprocating steam engines. So when the crank, that is the link 2 here, rotates, the piston attached to the piston rod reciprocates. So piston rod is basically the link 1, which is shown here, and the cylinder oscillates about the pin pivoted to the fixed link A, that is the fixed link. Okay, so here also we will be having one sliding pair, as we can see, and the remaining 3 pairs, that is the connection between the piston rod and the crank and the connecting rod, and the connecting rod and the cylinder. Okay, cylinder is oscillating, as you can see in the video. So that will be the turning pair. So these 3 will be the turning pair, and the remaining 1 pair, that is between cylinder and the piston rod, will be the sliding pair. So let's see the next inversion of the single slider crank mechanism. So it is rotary IC engines, because we had already studied that this mechanism is used for converting the rotating motion into reciprocating or vice versa. So here we are completely converting this reciprocating motion into the rotary motions, because previously in aviations, you can see helicopters and in the planes, the rotating elements were used, and this rotation was created by this mechanism only. It consists of basically 5, 7 or 9, means odd kind of cylinders. Okay, a cylinder should be in odd number and all revolve about the fixed axis, that is, you can see here is the D, which is shown, that is the fixed axis. Okay, while the crank link 2 is fixed, in this mechanism, when the connecting rod rotates, the piston reciprocates inside the cylinder. So here also, if we will observe a single cylinder only, okay, while if you will start observing this whole setup, it will become very tough process to understand how it works. But if we see only one cylinder, then it is just a combination of 7 cylinders with a single slider crankchain mechanism. Okay, so I hope that doubts regarding the single slider crankchain mechanism as well as the inversions of it will be clear.
Now here are some important questions from the above topic. You can try out these by clicking on the Google link given below in the description. Thank you for watching the video.